YouTuber, it is important you build your brand. When I mean build your brand, you're not only building your brand on YouTube, but you're also going to be building your brand on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, and every other social media platform that you know that will be very, very important to you. A lot of people take channel brandings as it is just going to be on that particular social media platform that I am filming content on, or that particular social media platform that I am well known. No, in building your brand, anything you are going to be doing should not just rest on one particular end. It should extend, okay? And that is why recently, if you've been joining my live stream, we have started building our brands on different social media platforms. And what we do for ourselves is support ourselves on our social media platforms, not only on YouTube, but also on Facebook, but also on Instagram. So if you are in that business and you've not joined us, why? All you need to do is to search that name on your Facebook page or Instagram, Vibe with Sonia, and just write vibes and we are good to go. Now the question is, why do I need to build my brand? You need to build your brand because what you are coming here to do on YouTube is not a child's play. You see all of those influencers you're seeing, you see all of those CCME, you see all of those Ify, you see all of those delicious food, all those people that you can see them occasionally, you see them doing influencing job for people. If they did not build their brand properly, they will not be where they are. Building your brand on YouTube is very important. The moment I started building my brand gradually on YouTube, I started getting promotional jobs. See, when it comes to YouTube salary, right, it is not just the money that YouTube is paying you that is the salary. Another thing that is going to be even paying you more than that YouTube salary are those promotional videos that you're going to be getting, those brand deals that you're going to be getting. That is why as a content creator, everything you bring on YouTube or anything you bring on your platform is very important. Make sure that no matter what you are doing, you are building your brand. And a lot of mistake that a lot of people do make that I've seen these days in building their brand is trying to have a different name on YouTube and trying to have a different name totally on Twitter, on TikTok, different name, on Instagram, different name, and on Facebook, different name. You are not doing good to your brand. If you want to build your brand, when you have one particular name for your brand, make sure all other social media platforms that you are having the same name. That is a proper brand, so that whenever they are coming to look for you for promotional videos or for any type of videos, if they search you on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter, they are going to be seeing the same name. So in looking out for building your brand, the name of your brand is very important. And a lot of people might say, I am still a small YouTuber, my Facebook page is very small. Let me tell you, promotional videos can even come from just that small, when I mean that very small channel that you are having. The first promotional video I got on Facebook, I have not even gotten to 1.8K when I got that particular promotional video. Okay, but I was trying my possible best to build my brand there. So even when I got that deal, I was really confused. I didn't even know what I needed to do right before they were able to put me through. And now I have realized that the mistake I did then, I don't want to do it again. And that's why I am putting out these things to you, so that you will know some of the things when it comes to building your brand. Like I said, your name is very important. The second thing that is very important in building your brand is what kind of content are you bringing to the table? As a content creator, please, I don't want you to see yourself as someone that is too small to receive any promotional deals. I don't want you to see yourself as someone that don't need influencing job, or someone that can never be influenced, someone that brands cannot reach out to. No matter the kind of content you are creating, brands can reach out to you. Now, what are you doing to all your content that you're bringing here? It baffles me when you see some people just bring a very blurry videos and they just feel like them watching the video, they know that this video is blur and I don't need to post this video, I don't need to upload this video, but they will still go ahead and upload it. And that thing is killing your brand, to be honest, because you don't know the particular video that your brands that the people that are looking out for influencers are going to pick out from. So just imagine that they saw your channel and your channel was good enough for them, even with your small subscribers, with your 500 subscribers, and the first video that they click to watch is a blurry video, or a video that the video quality, the audio quality is really bad. You must not have all of that quality gadget, mic, and everything for you to have a good audio quality. Some persons even have the same equipment, but they can't even give you a proper audio quality. So your content that you are bringing, if you're planning to build a brand, if you're planning for brands to reach out to you, they are very, very important when it comes to content creating. Don't joke with anything you bring here. Any lifestyle you're putting out here, don't joke with it. The next thing you should never joke with is your reputation. No brands want to work with someone that their reputation is being jeopardized. So if you're looking forward to get brand deals, you're looking forward for promotional jobs to come to you aside from YouTube salary, you must learn to keep your head high. What do I mean keep your head high? Everything you are doing, do it with all sincerity. If a brand reach out to you and you meet up to the deal, try to deliver that particular video. Don't come here and spoil that particular name of that brand you are building. It is not making sense. If you're giving me a promotional job and I go into that promotional job to see that promotional job and I find out that it is what will jeopardize my integrity, I don't accept it. It is not all brand deals that you will accept. To be honest with you guys, if I don't get jobs every week from brands, at least at most in a week, I get up to 3 jobs from brands. But in that 3 jobs, I might end up rejecting 2 and taking just 1 job. Because why? At the end of the day, probably I am seeing the site that you're saying I should review for you and it is not okay by me. Yes, your money might be higher, but it's not the money that is the most important thing. What is important here is my brand. So you don't need to come and use your own and come and spoil my brand. So I have a lot of brands on Telegram that I have even told them I am not working with you, I am not interested. Yes, the money, I need it, but I don't need to jeopardize. So your reputation is very important in searching out for brand, in trying to build your brand and looking forward to promotional videos. So that one video where you go do because of money, no go key other videos than we supposed to come for you. Then the next thing you need to consider in building your brand is try in as much as possible to upgrade in everything you are doing regarding content creating. The way you speak, the way you address issues, the way you film, the way you edit, upgrading in your gadgets and equipment, because you will need them. If you have the money to get a good phone for a quality video, why not? Why are you still holding up to that old phone and be like, oh, YouTube is not paying me yet, Facebook is not paying me yet, until they pay me before I'll be able to buy something out of it, knowing fully well that these particular social media platforms that you are into, they are where you will be making money till eternity. It's like what husband and wife call it, they do us part. So upgrade your equipment, upgrade your crafts, upgrade things that you know you need to upgrade. If it's a tripod you need, get a tripod. You don't need to be keeping your phone slanty. Any product you are using, also know how to represent that product. And if you are building your brand, trust me, all of those hair deals you are looking for, promotional videos from apps and website, deal, like there are different deals. And let me put it out here, if you want to build your brand, honestly, it is not everything that they give you as a brand deal that you accept. I'm going to be using myself as an example to you. You guys know that on this YouTube street, when it comes to all this installing of wig, doing this, I am not good at it. So if a brand reach out to me and tell me that, oh, they want to give me hairs and they want me to review for them, how do I start? I can't. Right now, my channel is not all about hair videos. Why am I saying this? I've seen a couple of brands that have reached out to me and they tell me, oh, I want you to come and review hair products. And I tell them bluntly, with all due respect, it is not my line. Me, who I never finish line eyebrow finish. You want me to come and sit down here and start reviewing hair, install the wig, do full makeup? I can't. If I see people doing it, I love it, I admire them, but it is not my line and it is not in line with my tutorials. So imagine me doing YouTube tutorials and then coming the next day to come and start installing wigs or doing wig review. I can't. I spoke to some of them. They don't have any issue with that. They understand. Why some will be getting angry? They feel only because they are thinking, oh, money is small. It's not issue of the money is small or the money is big. 200,000, 300,000, 150K. It is not small. It is something that everybody need. But I don't accept deals because I just want to accept. I know the kind of brands that I want to build, that I am already building. So you cannot come and use your own to come and bridge my brands, where I can be able to get just one particular deal that can cover for like 2 or 3 hair reviews that I want to come and do for you. I don't know if you guys, I'm just using my experience now to tell you that it is not all deals that you are going to be accepting because you just want to get brand deals or you just want to get influencer job and the rest of that. At the end of the day, you might end up killing your channel. Some brands might come and look out for your brand and they'll be like, this person is not even serious. This person don't even know what she is doing. For just one brand that I did review from on their app, I know how much that those particular brand paid me. And that is why I am telling you that in everything you do, build a brand. That is why you cannot just see me just coming here to sit anyhow and talk anyhow. I do my research before I come here to talk. I know exactly what I want to film when I put out my tripod stand for me to be able to film a video. And I'm still trying to upgrade in my equipment. I'm still trying to upgrade in my gadget. I'm still trying to upgrade in everything that I'm doing, the way I speak, the way I sit, the way I compose myself. So building a reputable brand, building a brand that people can always look up to, it is very important. And if all of these things that I've said, you are not into doing them, it is the right time for you to sit upright and start doing them now. Because now that you have 100, 200, 300 subscribers, it is now that you need to start building your brand. I've made that mistake before and I don't want you to make that same mistake again. And I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. If you have any question and you have any video you want me to film for you, please feel free to let me know in the comment section, because what is my job here is to deliver. My job here is to film as you are requesting. And yes, with no further ado, like let's say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye and I'll see you guys in my next one. Make sure you build a brand. Bye guys, I love you. Mwah.